Good morning, students. So let's continue with the chapter Admission of Partnership. Take down illustration 63. The following is the balance sheet at 31st March 2018 of A and B, who are in partnership and share profit and loss in the proportion 3/5 and 2/5. So they have given us the old ratio, that is 3/5 is to 2/5. They have given us the balance sheet. They admit C into the partnership. The terms of agreement are C to bring 6,000 as capital. So C's capital is how much? 6,000. C's share of goodwill 4,800 in order to get 2/7 share of profit. So C's share of profit is 2/7. 4,800 paid by C to be credited to loan account of A and B in respective proportion. So every time what happens to the premium of goodwill? We transfer it to the partner's capital account. But in this they have given us an adjustment that we have to transfer it to loan accounts of A and B. Next they have given freehold premises undervalued by 5,000. So it will be written on the credit side of revaluation account. Machinery and plant is overvalued by 500. Debit side of revaluation account. Stock to be discounted at 10%. Debit side of revaluation account, and provision of doubtful debts reduced by 1,000. Credit side of revaluation account, as it is a decrease in liability. Investment are to be brought down at their market price being 3,200. So this will be written on the debit side of revaluation account. Prepare journal entry capital account opening balance sheet. Also calculate the new ratio. So in this they have not asked us to prepare the revaluation account, but they have asked us to write down the journal entries. They have also asked us to calculate the new ratio. So first we'll calculate the new ratio. Write down calculation of new ratio. They have only given us the share of C. They have not given how much he acquired from the partners. So what will we do? Let the share of the firm be 1. C's share of profit, how much is it? 2/7. So remaining share will be 1 minus 2/7, that is 5/7. So A's new share is how much? What is his old ratio? 3/5. And what is the remaining share? 5/7. So 15/35. Next, what's B's share? His old share is 2/5 into 5/7, that is 10/35. And what is C's share? It is 2/7. So LCM will be 35. 10/35. So new profit sharing ratio is 15/35 is to 10/35 is to 10/35. That is 15 is to 10 is to 10, or 3 is to 2 is to 2. We have found out the new ratio. Next step is to calculate the sacrifice ratio. Calculation of sacrifice ratio. What is the formula? Old ratio minus new ratio. So we have A and B. What is the old ratio of A? 3/5. What is the new ratio? 3/7. So LCM is 35. 21 minus 15. It is 6/35. 2/5 minus 2/7. Again LCM is 35. 14 minus 10. 4/35. So what is the sacrifice ratio? 6 is to 4 or 3 is to 2. So our new ratio, so our sacrifice ratio and old ratio will be the same. After we have found out the new ratio and sacrifice ratio, next step is to write down the journal entries. So write down journal entries. We have date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. Please do the format. 1st April 2018, First, we will be writing all the journal entries relating to revaluation account. So, we have freehold premises account debited, provision for doubtful debts debited to revaluation account. Why have I written the compound entry? While we do the revaluation account, whatever is written on the credit side, I have written in this journal entry. So freehold premises, what is it? It is undervalued by 5,000. So 5,000 debit. Provision for taxation is reduced by 1,000. Total revaluation is 6,000. Write down the narration. Increase in the value of freehold premises and decrease in provision for doubtful debts. Next, whatever will be written on the debit side will be a next journal entry. So revaluation account debited. There is decrease in the value of machinery to machinery and plant account. Decrease in value of stock to stock account to investment account. Machinery is overvalued by 500. Stock is reduced by 10%. तो stock की value कितनी थी? 12,500 into 10%, 1,250. And investment is brought down by 3,200. How much was the value? 4,250 minus 3,200. We get 1,050. So total will be 2,800. Write down the narration. Increase in the value of assets. Next, whether is it profit or loss? It is a profit. So what will be the journal entry? Revaluation account debited to A's capital account to B's capital account. So it is 6,000 minus 2,800. We get 3,200. This 3,200 will be divided among the partners in the old ratio. So 3,200 into 3 by 5 we get 1,920. 3,200 into 2 by 5 we get 1,280. So write down the narration. The transfer of profit on revaluation. Next journal entry will be bringing capital and goodwill. So it is bank account debited to C's capital account to premium for goodwill account. So 6,000, 4,800, 10,800. Write down the narration. The amount of capital and premium for goodwill introduced by C. Then we have the last journal entry, that is transferring the goodwill Then we have the last journal entry, that is transfer of goodwill, that is premium for goodwill account debited to A's loan account to B's loan account. It will be in their sacrificing ratio 4,800, 2,880, 1,920. So write the narration. Premium for goodwill transferred to loan account of old partners. Next we'll be doing the partners capital account. We have debit side, credit side, 3 partners A, B and C. So we have particulars A, B, C, again particulars A, B and C. The first step is to bring down the balance. So by balance brought down, 24,000 A, 9,000 B. Next it is profit of revaluation by revaluation account, 1,920, 1,280. Do we have any reserves given in the question? No. And last will be by cash or bank account. That is the goodwill brought by the new partner C. Anything else? No. Why are we not writing goodwill? Because that is not transferred to partner's capital account, but it is transferred to partner's loan account. So what is the total of the credit side? 25,920, 10,280, 6,000. 25,920, 10,280 and 6,000. So to balance carried down, 25,920, 10,280 and 6,000. Next we need to do the bank account, particulars, amount, particulars and amount. So what is the first step? To bring down the balance from old balance sheet. What is the balance given to us? It is 1,660. It will be cash account and not bank account, because in the balance sheet they have given cash. So even in your partner's capital account it will be cash account, and even in the case of journal entries it would be cash account. So what's the balance? 1,660. Then we have to C's capital account. How much is it? 6,000. To goodwill account, 4,800. So what is the total? 12,460. 12,460. By balance carried down, 12,460. This will be written in the balance sheet. And last we need to do the opening balance sheet as on 1st April 2018. We have liabilities, amount, assets and amount. So let us go to the asset side. We have freehold premises. It will be 10,000 plus 5,000, 15,000. Next we have machinery and plant, 4,000. How did we get 4,000? It is 4,500 minus 500. Then we have furniture. It will be as it is. Stock deduction 10%. So 11,250. Then we have debtors. 22,500. Investments, investment is brought down to 3,200. And then we have cash. I prepared the cash account. The balance is 12,460. Then on the liability side we have creditors, 15,000. Then we have bills payable, 4,310. Then we have provision for doubtful debts. It was 4,000. It is reduced by 1,000. So it will be 3,000. Then we'll be having loan account of two partners, that is A and B. Why loan account? Because in the question they have given it, the goodwill was transferred to partners loan account. So how much is it? A, it is 2,880, 1,920, that is 4,800. And last we have capital account. A, B and C. How much is it? 25,920, 10,280 and 6,000. So we get 42,200. So what is the total of our balance sheet? 69,310, 69,310. Clear? So in this problem only they were new was journal entries, and also they had given us premium for goodwill is transferred to loan account. Next, let's go into illustration 64. X and Y are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 2:2. They have given us old ratio 2:1. As from 1st April, they admit Z into the partnership, and they have given us the new ratio, that is 1/4, 3/8, 3/8, which will be 2:3:3. Z contributes a sum of 1,50,000 capital and 36,000 as share of goodwill. The balance sheet is given. Land and building are valued at 3 lakh, which means there is decrease in the value of asset. The actual value was 3,40,000, but now it is reduced to 3 lakh. Plant is to be depreciated by 10%. So 2 lakh ka plant tha, it is reduced by 10%. Decrease in the value of asset. And stock is reduced by 6,000. Give journal entries to record the transaction. So first we will be calculating the sacrifice ratio. What is the formula? Old ratio minus new ratio. It is 2/3 minus 2/8. So what is the LCM? 24. 16 minus 6. We get 10/24. So is this sacrifice? Yes. Next for B, what is the old ratio? 1/3 minus 3/8. Again the LCM is 24. 8 minus 9. So this will be gain. So B has gained and A has sacrificed. So the goodwill will be transferred only to A's capital account, because only A has sacrificed the goodwill. And a part of share would be given by B to A. So write down journal entries. We have date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So first, in the problem they have said that give journal entries of the above transaction and prepare the opening balance sheet. Revaluation is made through profit and loss adjustment account. So they have given us adjustment account and not revaluation account. So instead of revaluation account, we would be writing profit and loss adjustment account. So write down 1st April 2016. Profit and loss adjustment account debited to decrease in value of assets. So to land and building account, to stock account, to plant account. Land and building is reduced by 40,000. Stock is reduced by 6,000. And plant will be reduced by 2 lakh into 10/100, which is 20,000. So what is the total? 66,000. Write down the narration. Decrease in the value of assets. Next entry will be whether there is profit or loss. There is a loss. So X capital account debited. To Y's capital account debited. To profit and loss adjustment account. $66,000. So what is X capital? What is the old ratio? It is 2:1. So 66,000 into 2/3 we get 44,000. 66,000 into 1/3 we get 33,000. So write down the narration. Transfer of loss on revaluation in the ratio 2:1. Then we have bringing capital and goodwill. Bank account debited to C's capital account to premium for goodwill account. 1,50,000 is the capital, 36,000 is goodwill, 1,86,000 will be bank account. Write down the narration. Amount introduced by Z for capital and premium for goodwill. This premium for goodwill will be transferred only to X capital account. To X capital account. 36,000, 36,000. Write down the narration. Premium for goodwill brought in by Z credited to sacrificing partner X. Last, who is the gaining partner? Y's capital account debited to X capital account. So first we need to find out what is the total value of goodwill. C share is how much? So write down calculation of goodwill. So C's share of goodwill is how much? It is 36,000. Share of C was how much? What is his new share? It is 3/8. So total goodwill of the firm is how much? You need to take the reciprocal. 36,000 into 8/3. How much do we get? 96,000. So the total goodwill of the firm is 96,000. So from 96,000, one by 24 will be given by Y to X. So 4,000 debit, 4,000 credit. Write down the narration. Adjustment for goodwill on acquiring 1/24th share by Y from X. So why have I done this? I had done a problem where they had given us the share of goodwill, they had given us share of C. We had to find out the gain or sacrifice by the partner. If a partner has gained, he has to sacrifice his share of goodwill to the sacrificing partner. After this, we will be preparing the partner's capital account. We have particulars X, Y, Z, particulars X, Y and Z. So we have by balance brought down. In our old balance sheet, what is the balance given? X it is 4 lakh, Y it is 2,50,000. Then we have by bank account, that is the capital of Z, it is 1,50,000. Then we have by premium for goodwill, 36,000 is given only to X. And then we have by Y's capital account. How much is it? 4,000 is given to X. Correct? That is Y's capital account to X capital account. Then on the debit side we have to profit and loss adjustment account. What is this? This is the loss on revaluation. 44,000, 22,000. Then we will have X capital account. Under Y we will be writing 4,000. Clear? Why have I written here Y's capital account and here X capital account? Go to the journal entry. What is the journal entry? Y's capital account debited to X capital account. So under Y's capital account, under X I would be writing the amount, and to X capital account under Y I would be writing the amount. Next we need to total 4,40,000, 2,50,000, 1,50,000. 4,40,000, 2,50,000, 1,50,000. So to balance, carried down, how much is it? 3,96,000, 2,24,000 and 1,50,000. Next we need to prepare the bank account. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount. First step is to balance, brought down. Old balance sheet, what is the balance? 25,000. Then we have to Z's capital account. How much is the capital of Z? 1,50,000. And then we have premium for goodwill. How much is the goodwill? It is 36,000. So what is the total? 25,000 plus 1,50,000 plus 36,000, we get 2,11,000. 2,11,000. So we have by balance, carried down, 2,11,000. Last we need to prepare the balance sheet as on 1st April 2018. We have liabilities, amount, assets and amount. Land and building. Land and building is reduced. So 3,40,000 minus 40,000, that is 3 lakh. Then we have plant, 2 lakh minus 20,000, 1,80,000. Then we have stock, reduction 6,000, so we get 74,000. Then we have debtors, 75,000. And then we have cash and bank, 2,11,000. Then we have creditors, on the liability side 70,000. Then we have capital account, X, Y, Z. How much is it? 3,96,000, 2,24,000 and 1,50,000. So what is the total of our balance sheet? 8,40,000, 8,40,000. Clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.